Right,
No
come on, you
buttons,
bastards.
no horns. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Hang on, because I've got no route up now. Well, I've got the green line.
Straight on at the roundabout.
Is your route showing up that way?
Yeah, straight up. I've got a button that does that.
Have it? Oh, lucky you then.
Yeah, electronic
Wait a
screen.
minute, wait a minute, wait a minute.
Right, this screen was stuck. All clear after this fan. Right, let's head into the dials.
Straight across, isn't it?
It is straight across, yeah.
If at any time you feel like overtaking me, Steve, and going slow, just feel free.
Okie dokie. Oh, like I say, I'm quite happy popping along at the back here. I'm in
Oh,
no rush
fuck
at all.
off! What a
Yeah, see, as soon as we cross back into England, he's back.
ding dong!
It's nearly like
I
Scotland.
think she heard you then,
down.
right? Oh.
Here we go, look at that. Beautiful.
Absolutely stunning, isn't it?
Have you done these roads before, Nick, or not? You'll like these.
Well, this is the way we came from the lakes, wasn't it?
It's the way
basically?
we came, but we're going back the other way now.
Yeah.
Wave to the wankers on the motorway. Yeah.
You can't be one all your life, can you?
A wanker? I like being a wanker.
Gorgeous, isn't it?
Who's that?
Waving to the wankers.
Yeah.
I know, tyres, I know what I put you through, I'm sorry. We'll make up for it now.
Yeah, we'll soon scrub them bloody flat spots off now.
I know, tyres, I know. There, my tyres are down there going, it's good to be back, it's good to be back, come on, come on. Sometimes, Nick, you get the jets flying down through here. Yeah, so it might make you jump in a minute.
Be nice to catch one today, wouldn't it?
See, I keep on thinking to myself, get a lighter bike, get a lighter bike, and then I ride this with all this weight on here, and me, and it handles it so well, I think, fucking, don't be a twat. Don't be a twat.
The only time you need to change that is when it's too heavy to get in and out of your garage, isn't it?
Yeah. It's bought, it's paid
or it's a
for.
smooth house.
She's bought and paid for, don't owe me fuck all.
Exactly.
Oh, fucking wanker.
What?
Got carried away again, didn't I?
What have you
What have you
done?
done?
Missed the turn.
Oh. I've got 1.3 mile turn right, turn left.
It's recalculated.
Ah, yeah, straight
Ready?
on.
See, this is the trouble, having it down there, not in front of me. I ignore it even more. Right, left turn coming up, and it looks like it comes back on you.
Don't forget it then, noise.
Oh, there it is.
Left.
Yeah, it does come back on you.
Land brake.
You know, he's on about a gravel path. At least it'll take us back to the route. Lovely.
Now we're home, aren't we? Nothing like a bit of grass in the middle.
Welcome to Dorset Roads, Joe. Pothole there.
Yeah, you are going to come down.
and
This is what our roads are like.
Is it?
Pickup going like a fucking Egypt. He's skidded like fuck, look.
Really?
How do you, bud?
You will have to come down, Joe, and visit. And then we'll come up to you and visit.
Yeah. This is like our country lanes. But the trouble is, down our way, the bushes are a lot taller as well.
Yeah.
Can't see nothing.
No, ours are like that. There you go. Hear the jet?
I can hear him, I can't see him.
Thought that was Steve's bike.
There they
Although
go.
your bike does sound like a jet, doesn't it?
Can't see it. He's probably low, that's why.
Yeah.
Probably doing a bit of weaving and ducking.
We'll catch it on camera, are we?
Left. 3-ton weight limit. What the fuck am I going to do?
Ignore it like you do your sat nav.
Oh look, viaduct, look. We wouldn't have got to see that. You know that 1 in 20 fucking hill you was on about?
It's a bit steep, isn't it? But yeah, we would have seen that viaduct if you hadn't got the wrong turning.
Look at that, let's make the most of that. Get that on the front camera.
Yeah. Well, he's got hill start, don't you know? Hill assist. Yeah. Are we going to see Ribblehead Viaduct today? We are, aren't we?
Didn't get that, eh?
We're going past Ribblehead Viaduct today, aren't we?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's a proper viaduct, isn't it?
Well, that one ain't bad.
Oh no, I'm not knocking it.
Right, should we try again?
Yeah. Oh no, we met back up with the original route. How strange.
Who would have fucking thunk it?
Really? Zebra 5.5 miles.
Right, 2.9 miles, we're going left, remember that?
Mine says 3.
Could be roads like this all day now, isn't it?
It'll just be fun when we have to cut down the back roads, getting round fucking like Leeds and fucking Keighley and all that lot.
Yeah. I mean, the only good thing about that is you go past Colin Appleyard, don't you?
Yeah.
Good road.
We didn't do this road last time.
No, we didn't get this far, did we?
No. But it's beautiful.
It is absolutely stunning, isn't it?
It's all these fucking dry stone walls must take fucking ages. Bit scabby there.
God, anyone would think I got up early. I keep yawning like this. Another beautiful viaduct.
44.
Okay, so we've got another half hour then.
Yeah,
Why
that's a
don't
small
people
one.
take that much pride in building stuff now, eh?
What do you mean braking? You got a fucking BMW.
Not like it's going to fall over, is it?
Well, they go around corners like they ain't there. It's getting it.
This is why I stay in third gear.
It's clear.
Oh, clear. Joe's by.
I make a brief request.
Fuck
Yes.
off.
As a slow person at the back, can I just filter through one at a time to get to the front, then you can all come back again?
Right, it's a nice bit just after this bend.
I can see that.
You want to sweep by us? There you
No,
go.
it's not. It
Nice
dives
and clear.
over and goes round.
Yeah, just pull up behind noise then. Yeah, I mean, if you want to move up and down between us, just
Yeah.
say so.
Go on then if you want one more. You go like a man fucking possessed now.
Cool.
Fucking hell, that does bounce round the corners, doesn't it?
It does. I don't like it.
Well, can't you harden it up?
I don't know if they're hard or soft in it. What's hard?
Oh, I can
Put a bit
harden
more.
it.
Put more preload on it.
You reckon?
Yeah.
I'll harden it up for you.
Turn right. Turn right. Turn right.
Well, Joe knows where we're going.
Yeah, it's Kettlewell Road. Nice.
Very nice road.
Ah, road ahead closed.
Ah.
Well, the sign was fell over, so is it fell over or is it actually closed?
Keep going.
We'll find out.
Thanks to Joe, we got loads of time today. We must have mentioned that about 30 times so far.
The water's running nicely over the waterfalls, Joe. We'll stop. Round to the left, round to the right. Look, on your right shoulder, Joe. No, your other right.
What?
There, look. Look. I'm going to stop here. Joe!
Yeah,
I'm going to stop. Don't worry, I'm going to stop.
Yeah.
Just wondering whether to, I mean, we could just bimble the drone up through there, couldn't it?
Why not? Well, I'll have a fag.
We're waiting over there. Just a job.
Do you want me to come back or not?
Yeah, we're going to put the drone up through the river.